This is a guide about child protection conferences for parents and carers. A child protection conference is held when there are worries that a child has been harmed physically or emotionally, or is at risk of being harmed. It is a meeting between your family and professionals. Professionals include social workers, teachers, and health workers, including your GP. The police representative will always attend the initial child protection conference. We really want parents and carers to attend and participate in the meeting, as you have a vital role to play in helping us understand what is happening for your family and how we can help improve things. The Child Protection Conference does not make decisions about legal or court action or about where children should live. You will be sent an invitation outlining how the conference will take place and how you access it. The conference will be chaired by an independent chair. You will have the opportunity to speak to the chair alone before the conference starts. All attendees are asked to write a report and share this with you before the meeting. You should not be surprised or hear new information during the conference, and you will have the opportunity to question information that you do not agree with. You can have someone to support you at the conference, such as a family member, friend, or advocate. Please tell your social worker in advance if you want someone to attend with you. The views of your children will also be shared in the conference, either by them attending, if appropriate, or by a social worker or independent advocate sharing their views. Hackney has a children's rights service where a children's rights officer can support your child and can represent their views and wishes on their behalf. On the day, the independent chair will meet with you before the main meeting to explain how the conference will run, and will talk about the best ways for you to contribute towards the discussion. We ask that you attend the conference on time. Let us know in advance if you need special assistance, such as hearing loop access, interpreter, or wheelchair access. We ask that you listen to the views of others and treat all attendees with respect. At the start of the conference, all the attendees will introduce themselves, and the chair will ask professionals to summarise the most important parts of their report. You'll be invited to contribute to this discussion. During the meeting, 4 key questions are considered, and everyone is asked to contribute. What is working well with your family? What are we worried about in relation to your children and your family? What needs to happen to make sure your children are safe and well cared for in the future? What information is not agreed upon and needs to be clarified? If a child protection plan is made, you'll be asked to attend regular meetings with an identified core group of people. This will include you and any supportive family and friends, as well as professionals. The role of the core group is to work out the detail of the plan and how to measure success. A review conference will be held after 3 months, and then at least every 6 months, until the risk has reduced and the child protection plan ends. At each conference, a decision will be made about whether the child protection plan remains necessary. It may be agreed in the conference that your children do not need a child protection plan, but the discussion has identified that your family could benefit from additional support. If this is the case, then a child in need support plan may be developed. After the conference, you'll be sent a written record of the meeting and the plan. We hope you feel able and supported to contribute to your children's child protection conference, and you can expect to be treated with respect, regardless of race, disability, gender, age, religion, or sexual orientation, be listened to, be involved in decisions, and to get any support that has been offered to you in a timely manner. Please do not hesitate to speak to your social worker if you have any questions.